chase our dreams, and thrive under the sun, basking in its infinite glow. At Senergy, we harness this boundless energy and vitality to enhance your quality of life with green solar technology. With over 20 years of dedication to our dreams, we unlock the full potential of sunlight through innovation and technology. Establishing ourselves as a leading ODM service supplier of PV inverters and energy storage solutions. We transform technological innovation into practical solutions, delivering high-quality products with unwavering determination. Our smart solar cloud system empowers real-time monitoring and management of homes, utilizing R&D expertise from Taipei and Shenzhen to shatter countless boundaries and acquire multiple patented core technologies. Driven by our passion, we obsess over even the smallest details in pursuit of perfection, continuously upgrading the products and optimizing their performance. Our industry-leading technologies are embedded in every solution we offer, ensuring maximum efficiency and excellence. We've streamlined the manufacturing process by leveraging automation production and all-round intelligent equipment, guaranteeing consistent and superior product quality through our rich experience in power product and stringent international enterprise management processes. We listen to the voices of our customers with a touch of professionalism and efficiency. Our diverse ODM collaboration models and fast customization processes further demonstrate our commitment to providing exceptional service. We are harnessing solar energy across over 50 countries worldwide, promoting sustainable development through the guiding principles of professionalism, integrity, innovation, and win-win. Customer service comes first at Senergy, driving cutting-edge technology to optimize intelligent manufacturing processes, expanding the horizons of green energy applications, and unleashing the limitless development potential of the industry. With solar energy as our guiding light, we illuminate thousands of households around the world, committed to green products and innovative technology for a greener and more intelligent life. Together, let us build a sustainable and beautiful home planet, propelled forward by the strength of our dreams and the brilliance of the sun.